Natural home remedies to whiten legs and hands. Most people are likely to take more time on products to get fair, glowing skin. However, they won't take proper care of hands and foot. So it's easier to disregard the excess exposure to the sun to get rid of tan impact on skin. Because of ecological, hormonal imbalance, and a few ailment may darken your skin. There are many items that are available for sale to get rid of dark hands and foot. But it's better to choose natural care because it doesn't affect you with any dangerous disease. Here are some home cures you need to follow. Tomatoes. Take tomato juice and buttermilk in the number of 1:2. Combine them together and apply to deal with and legs with a cotton pad. Leave this on for around 40 minutes. Rinse it completely. This combine is blueberry useful for sunburned or tan skin. Apply this combine once per week in summers to determine the preferred effects. Yogurt. Take simply yogurt. Turn it into a practice of rubbing yogurt on legs and hands before taking a bath. Leave it on for 7 minutes after wash with warm water. Do this not less than per month. You will observe a substantial improvement in the color of the skin. To really make it more efficient, you may also add a couple of drops of fresh lemon juice too. Aloe gel. Take aloe gel. Simply take aloe gel and slather it to deal with and foot. Ensure that it stays on as long as you desire and wash. This is actually the easiest one and it truly does work too.